name is Moni and you're welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you my empty apartment house tour. I'm going to show you the clip I made the very day we moved into this apartment. The very first time I set my eyes on this apartment physically. And before I show you the clip, I would like to say some things. This house is a 2-bedroom house tour. It is located in Winnipeg, Manitoba, in the south part of Winnipeg, Manitoba, and we are close to my sister's house. Her house is not far away from here, and so we have a family close by. And actually, I wasn't looking for a 2-bedroom townhouse. I was looking for a 2-bedroom apartment, but when I sent the one I liked to my sister, she said it was too far from her and it was not close to good schools and shopping centers and all that. So she saw this particular house just right before the one I picked, and she said this house is in a good location, it's close to a good school, and it has shopping centers around and bus stops around. Although to me, the bus stop is not very close. You still have to walk some distance before you get to the bus stop. But in all, I love my apartment. I love the fact that it has white cabinets. If you are my friend, you know that I love white cabinets in my kitchen. Although my previous house does not have white cabinets, the cabinets are brown. But I don't know the thing with white. The reason why we got this apartment before we came to Canada is because we didn't want to be spending and wasting lots of money sleeping in Airbnb and hotels and all that, because it costs a lot of money, and we wanted to settle in as fast as possible and get jobs and start our life as fast as possible. That's the major reason why we decided to get our own apartment before we came down here. Although the apartment it's not 100% what I wanted, but it's about 80% good. I love it and all that. So I'm going to show you a clip of the very first time I set my eyes on my apartment. So if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please help this channel grow. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and also share my videos to your friends and your loved ones. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. You're welcome to my empty house apartment tour. This is the front door. When you go into this door, you see the garage to your left. It's this black door over here. Please don't mind how disorganized my garage is. It's all cleared up now. So that's the garage door, and this is the view from inside. That is the front door, and this other door right here is the garage door. So when you back the front door, the main door, you see the coat room where the visitors get to keep their shoes and their jackets. Let's see what's inside. I'm going to get a shoe rack for this room. It is currently disorganized right now, but I'm going to get a shoe rack so that it will look neat and presentable. So we're done with that. So on your way up, you will see another room to your left. I don't know what this room is called, but it's a room that houses all the wires and all the, let's just call it the engine room. Then you go upstairs to the first floor. This house has 3 floors in total: the ground floor, the first floor, and the second floor. And I love the fact that the floors are wooden. Then when you get to the top of the stairs, you get to the kitchen first. I really love this kitchen. It has lots of storage spaces and the cabinets are white. Yeah, this is my double door fridge, and the things inside, my sister got them for us before we landed. I so much love the fridge because it's bigger than the regular one. We also have a microwave and a cooker and lots of storage spaces. One of the things I don't like about this apartment is that it doesn't have a pantry, but that's not a big deal. I got another cabinet that looks like a pantry for the kitchen. We also have a dishwasher. I don't know how to use this yet, but I'll figure it out soon. Those are my kids also checking out the house. And this is the living area, the sitting room and the dining area. It's quite big and spacious. Then this curtain over here, we met it in the house. It leads to the patio or the balcony on the veranda. I love how the doors in this house are. They are transparent and they are beautiful. So back into the house, this is the view of the kitchen from the living room. And right beside the living room, we have the powder room, the visitors' powder room, or the visitors' restroom. Then that's about it for the first floor. Over here we have the control for the heater and the AC. We also have another one that controls the vents. I don't know what the other buttons are for yet. So there's another staircase that leads to the restroom upstairs and the rooms. So I forgot to enter my kids' room. That's it, straight down the hallway. Then to your right, we have the family restroom, the family washroom. It's a regular washroom with a bath and a sink. It also has storage spaces. My kids they really love the bathtub, but I'm not a fan of bathtubs. Then here is the master's bedroom. It's quite big and spacious. It's same size with my kids' room. The only difference is that it has a walk-in closet. The walk-in closet is bigger than theirs. They also have a walk-in closet in their room. That's about it. So when you come out of the master's bedroom, you see the laundry room. I love the fact that it has doors and you can keep the doors shut when you're washing. So we have a washer and a dryer, and we have shelves that we can keep duvets, dirty clothes and cleaning stuffs and all that. Thank you for watching.